to all the crackers in the box. Hi, it's me, your friend Corey, and I'm just doing a little bit of a hello for this video. I think I'm going to switch to a nice relaxing song or two for this. We went to the beach and I recorded a little bit while we were there. It was a little tricky trying to get sound at all, just because there's families and it was just a really busy Sunday at the beach. So I thought this would be a lovely place to just sit and crochet and enjoy the environment, and I thought I'd share it with you, my experience outside and in the hot sun. Got a tiny bit of a burn on my shoulders. I did put a lot of sunscreen on, but I still got burned. Yay, fun stuff. So in this episode, or this particular video, I am working on my flowy top. I'm getting the first side done before I get to the tutorial. No, I have not forgotten. I've never done a tutorial, so this might take a little bit of time. It is a big piece, and it is very slow going, being that it is made with such a thin, gorgeous yarn. Love this yarn so much. The colors of it are absolutely stunning. It is a Hobie Halloween. I believe it's called Mad Scientist. I'm working it up with a 3.5 millimeter hook, my beautiful blue one, my travel one, and on these rows I'm doing my just double crochet rows. So I'm doing 2 rows of double crochet, 2 rows of double crochet, skip 2, chain 2, and then a double crochet. So we're doing a mesh and double crochet, and that's basically the whole thing. But I'm going on a very long rows, very long rows, because I'm going over the shoulder with it. Once I start putting it together and the tutorial comes out, it all makes sense why I made it this way. It really looks really nice when it's finished. This yarn is very soft. It's very lightweight. I have split it down to two of the threads instead of 4, just because I wanted it to be super light, because our summers here are very hot for the most part. Just wearing one of my nice lighter summer dresses that I wear on my days off, and just trying to enjoy the sunshine and family. So yeah, enjoy the crochet, and I hope you've had a wonderful day too. And I will talk to you again very soon. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll get back to our normal videos in a few days. See you soon.